Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a lead form in Google Ads. Ladies and gentlemen, let's log into our Google Ads account and navigate to campaigns. On the left hand side, you'll see it on your screen, and then look for assets. Click on the plus icon to select a lead form from the drop down menu. Here you're going to decide whether to add the lead form at the account level, which will be available across all of your campaigns, or at your campaign level, which is specific to the campaign that you've selected. Select Create New to begin. Fill out all the essential details such as your business name, a very compelling headline, clear description, and a strong call to action. Add some custom questions to collect email, phone, or any other valuable information. Include your privacy policy URL. This is mandatory for compliance, and ensure that the policy clearly explains how you will use the collected lead data. Save your lead form asset and attach it to your campaign. Configure a conversion-focused bidding strategy and optimize specifically for lead form conversions. You can now download leads regularly within 30 days via Assets. Look for Lead Form Summary. You can download it as a CSV form, and you can integrate it with your CRM using web hooks or even Google Ads API method.